Have you got the hiccups? Yep.
It's good that she can be happy without being helped.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about in the beginning.
Yeah, because that was the problem with Stephanie.
Oh,
That's so
they're not
cute.
happy unless they're being held.
She had to be helped all the time.
Stephanie had to be held.
Stephanie had to be
Oh.
helped all
Say
the
hi?
time.
Yeah, so we started putting her in there, and then when she's sleeping, we'll put her in here.
Yeah.
So she gets used to
Hold your breath.
the bassinet, you
Yeah.
know?
Yeah.
Hold your breath.